Hi, and thank you very much for your question. I like how you approach the new business setup. Getting started with an already successful idea shows critical appreciation of the topic and also a method that lets you focus on your purpose. So considering my knowledge on this subject, I would say that you should use the market to your advantage. So in my experience, I would say that I guess that in-depth research, the existing market and the target audience might give you a whole new set of ideas that you couldn't even imagine before. So I'd really like, I mean, it's pretty much that, and I'd really like to keep this conversation alive and open with you and get more insights on how you approach the evolution of an existing idea with a specific example maybe. So please go ahead and ask me a follow-up question.